Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 BMW R1200GS. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 BMW R1200GS with 14,208 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and electronic suspension and heated grips. It's been upgraded with barkbuster handguards and airflow windscreen, engine guards, and saddlebag mounting racks. Powered by an 1170cc two-cylinder engine, the R1200GS puts 110 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel capacity, the R1200GS has a 250 to 300-mile range. It has the 35-inch seat height and a 505-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 830 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The rear main seal has a slight leak. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the luggage rail, a scratch on the front fender, and a scratch on the handguards. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.